The next step is where your wedge is going to come into play. You have 3 plain pins. They are to be inserted through the picture or through the stand as such. The next step is to pick up one of your inserts. Now they can be adjusted to your taste if you want olive one color on one side and maybe the beige over here, coral over here. That's your option. The way that I had designed it to stagger it. Like you would have coral, beige, beige, coral, coral, and beige. That way it kind of breaks everything up. Your next step is take one of the pictures and you come through at an angle, insert it onto the dowels, get your wedge ready to work. The scrap block of wood that I provided for driving everything in comes through there, and your wedge sits on it just to hold the picture level while you're making your final insert. And that would be the dowel pin like this and the washer, the wooden washers. You insert from the outside, flush to the inside. Take your round wheel, set it over, and line everything up as you're sliding in. Once you got it in, put your hand here and kind of make the distance in between the pictures and the outside wall here and over here uniform. And it tries to be aggravating, but once they all go together, it locks down pretty nice. You get it setting like that, remove your shim, then your block of wood, set yourself up on the other side. Take another picture. Again, your first step, come in at an angle, set it on, rotate it up so that it can sit on the block, add your wedge. I'm going to put it out here this time so you can actually see it going in. Add your wedge. Now that holds you close to right. Come back over and again pick up a washer and another dowel pin and insert them. Hold it flush, add your little wheel, and what I'm doing here, I don't know if the cameraman can zoom in or not, but I'm trying to manipulate this all at one shot. As you're inserting, you're holding the wheel here at this point, trying to keep it close. Once you hit the picture, stop, line it up, push it on through. Now you probably saw the wheel moved over. That's fine. Everything's loose to where it can be slid back into place, and add the wheel. Make sure they're tight. Again, get your appropriate spacing and distance in between them. Remove your shim. Reach under, remove your block. Flip it over, and you have a performing sand picture. For adjustments on these pictures, you can go to www.rosiesuniqueproducts, and Rosies is spelled R-O-S-E-Y-S. You ladies have seen it. You've seen enough emails from me. Go to the adjustments page. All of your instructions for adjustments are there. You will get a much prettier picture excuse me, if the pictures are running slow like this one versus this. You will get more effects out of the slower moving pictures than the fast ones. Now real quick, I'm going to go ahead and install all remaining 4 pictures, so bear with me and we will actually install them. I want to set myself up first with a block of wood, my shim, sake of speed, I'm going to move everything out here. Pick up my extra pieces. Shake my sand around. Install one of the top ones. Pivot it around so that it sits on the block. Get my wheel ready. Insert the dowel pin. Now some of these pins will be a little tight. I have actually had to sand them to make them fit through these holes appropriately. And really, the tighter they are, the better off it is. Again, I'm going to push through and hold the dowel pin back. I'm not going to do any more adjustments on this one until I install the one for the other side. So, I will remove my block, set myself up on the next side, come in at an angle again, set it up. Just installing the one on this side will also partially line up this side of the picture. Another wheel. Insert my dowel. Come through the wheel. Now once I get at that point, I can actually remove these. I need 3 hands here. Okay, now we catch the two. Let me come around this side. You can actually catch these pictures like this. Pull them together. That will help start your alignment. Put your hand here. Pull. Make them uniform. Uniform distance between the two. Step to this side. Do the same thing. Now we're going to go for the bottom ones. Pull them together so that I've got enough room to get my wheel in. Insert the two. There we go. That's it. There is one more step that will be done before it arrives to you. Naturally, the Rosie's logo will be included right across here so that it's down out of the way, but yet it is there. You use the very same process for adjustments like any of the other small Sam pictures. You enjoy yourself. I hope you enjoy the movie Sam picture that is created for display for Eugene, Oregon. And we thank you for your business. Thank you.